Hi there. If you're searching for the ultimate wallet for the Cosmos ecosystem, Keplr wallet is the one. Today, I'm going to guide you through installing it on your PC without any unnecessary browser extensions. Sit back and enjoy the watch. So, to use the app directly on Windows, we're going to use an emulator. You can find the download link right on our website. After opening the emulator, download the wallet from the Play Store just as you would on your mobile device. Okay, to create a new wallet, click on Create New Wallet. After that, make sure to save your seed phrase in a secure location. This is a must. Alternatively, you can easily import your existing wallet if you already have one. Currently, we are in the main menu of the wallet. From this screen, you can receive, send, and exchange cryptocurrency with minimal transaction fees. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Have a great one.